Hi friends. So I am having a day and I wanted to share it with y'all because, you know, most of the time when I come on here, I'm like, it's a great day. It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. Who sang that? I can't remember. Oh gosh. It was Travis Tritt. And I'm afraid he was a homophobe and that sucks. So I guess we won't be singing that song anymore. Or we'll be singing the Mary Catherine version from the hammock. Hey y'all, okay, so let me tell you about my day. Y'all ready? Because I was just on the phone with Matthew Stapley and he was like, yeah, it's a day. So I am having a bad one, but last week I was invited to try a new product that I was interested in from a company, and they mailed it to me, and so I tried it. Are y'all ready to hear about it? I'm not going to tell you who the company is yet because I've yet to decide if it's working, but I will let you know if it does. It is a microdosing CBD gummy that also has a microdose of THC, but somehow is such a small dose that it's legal to federally ship anywhere. So I was having a really bad day, which I've said 15 times. And I went to go grab this little gummy that I've never had before. Because bad day, and the thing is called Calm. I'm like, oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'd like some Calm. So I took it, and I was like, what does one do when they're trying a new thing? And I was like, I'm gonna go out to this hammock in my front yard and look at the sky. So I did that, and I laid down in the hammock, and I was expecting everything to become bluebirds and sunshine, and my hammock is on the ground because do you see this? There's no space. I am a beached whale. I do not like it. 3 people have driven by and I don't know how to get out. So I can't get out of the hammock, Lisa, because I'm on the ground in the hammock, and it's like a little roly-poly cocoon kind of hammock. But I will say this. It does appear as though this product, in which I'm checking out and definitely going to tell y'all about, is working. Because I am calm. I'm just on the ground in my hammock. I'm not super happy about it, but I am calm. So I'll be very excited to tell y'all about that in a couple days. I'll tell them the commercial's already filmed. That I'm just laying on a hammock on the ground. Everything's fine. I'm in a little cocoon of my own making, a delightful cocoon, and I'm very happy about it. So I'm going to share a video with y'all. Please understand that when I say I might be stoned, it is not that I am actually stoned, because the microdose in this very legal gummy that I'm trying is like, if people get stoned on like a Skittle, this is like a salt grain. So it's not really like that. I am going to have to roll out, aren't I, Pam? But anyways, I'm just really excited to share this with y'all, that I am calm. Anyway, since y'all are all here, I have something else. My internet decided that since I had a thing to say, it was going to take it away. Did y'all notice, though, that like in the second that my internet went out, that I switched hands and y'all got a whole different angle? That probably was kind of cool, like a transition in like a famous movie or something. Wow, this is delightful. Highly recommend. So, the story thing that I shared earlier, y'all need to know about. But oh my gosh, do I even have, y'all are laughing at me. Okay, maybe I'll take half next time. I feel like that might be a good idea. Yeah, Lisa. I'm telling you, it's really funny. I missed what you were talking about before you had to leave. Sherry, what I was trying to tell y'all about. I'm so excited. But I just realized I don't have the link because I'm too calm. Hold on a second. Y'all don't go anywhere. I'll be right back, okay? I'm going to go grab the link and I'm going to come back and tell y'all about it so you can tell your friends. Okay? Don't go anywhere. Hold on a second. Is it a terrible, awful? Maddie, you're so funny. Hold on a sec. Oh my gosh. You can just put the Sprite on the front porch. Thank you so much. Oh my God. This is so embarrassing. The guy that delivered my lunch just returned with a drink that I had forgotten. And I have a calm gummy in my system, and I'm on a hammock on the ground. and I was just trying to go get a link for y'all, and he came up and talked to me about a Sprite. Where would you like it, ma'am? Because you're on the ground in a hammock. Bye, have a good day. Oh God, this is so embarrassing. I want to melt into the earth. Please help me, Jesus. That was so embarrassing. I need him to pull out of my driveway like a second ago. It needs to happen now. Please, sir. Relieve me of my shame. But guys, I'm calm though. Super calm about it. Yes, I am trying to hide, and it's working. Look, he can't see me now. Look, check it out, guys. Hold on. Look. In my cocoon. Y'all see this? Oh God, it was so scary. Why did he have to make such a scene about it? Hold on. Y'all don't get to see my cocoon. Do y'all see my cocoon? I'm all up in a cocoon. There he goes. Goodbye, sir. Thanks for the Sprite. Cynthia, if that man walked over here and tried to help me off the ground, I would have been so embarrassed. I am. I'm getting out of this hammock. Oh, okay. Oh, good Lord. There's so many things out here. Hey, MK, what email do you use? Oh, MK at viraljoymedia.com. Okay, let me tell y'all about what I was trying to tell y'all about before I got 100% embarrassed by the Grub South guy that was bringing me my Sprite from a meal that I ordered 2 hours ago. He really did do that. So, shout out to Grub South. Y'all are killing it. You know Uber Eats would not do that. That was some Southern hospitality. I'm going to do a different live video because I really don't need this story to be buried in the back end of this one. So how about this? How about I roll out of this hammock and walk and look at my little waffle. I said roll over and he did it. He's such a good kitty. You a good kitty boy? Are you my good kitty boy? I'm going to go inside. I'm going to like get real professional, shake my face. And then I'm going to tell y'all about Tell Your Story and how I'm doing the last one ever. But everybody say hi to Waffles. Kitty, kitty boy. There you go. I love cats so much. Our kids know a very inappropriate song because they're my kids and I don't know why. But I try. I really do try, y'all. But my kids sing this song. They say, I'm too sexy for my fur. Too sexy, it hurts. They do that every time a cat walks by because we love to make fun of the fact that every time a cat walks up to you, it has to like stop 6 different places to rub on things. Like, hey, what you doing? Hi, what you doing? Oh, I'm hungry. Did you know? Like, it's ridiculous. Wow. I'm going to go inside now. And, we're going to see Chris. I think this calm stuff might be getting me back to my happy place, guys. Is there a snake on the ground? Now, why would you say something like that, Amy? I don't see a snake on the ground, but geez, I'd not considered it was a possibility. I guess there's snakes everywhere. I never considered that. Now, here I am in my little Garden of Eden, and you had to bring up the devil. It was a leash, I think, or something. You know what it is? It's the thing tied around the tree that sagged all the way down the tree because my 200-pound butt pulled the hammock to the ground. I'm so sad. All right, guys. I'm going to go inside. Will y'all come right back? And, we need to talk about something entirely different because this was not the plan. This was not the plan. Bye.